Hi everyone, I'm Szenanphua from AcuTCM School. Today I'm going to share with you JiYi acupuncture and JiYi tea to treat psoriasis. It's a skin condition. Psoriasis is very difficult condition. We all know it. If you are a practitioner, acupuncturist or Chinese medicine herbalist, we all know this. Psoriasis is a very difficult case. Now, I have shared with you previously in this case. This case is actually treated by JiYi acupuncture 8 times, and have a quick review on this case. And as you can see here, that is psoriasis. And after 8 treatment, good. You see, all good. It say that it's only 8 acupuncture treatment. Okay. Now, people may afraid of JiYi acupuncture, may afraid of needles, not just JiYi acupuncture, all sort of acupuncture people just afraid of needles. And what if your patient afraid of needle? What can you do? Well, we have another strategy using herbs, right? Now, apart from herbs, what else can you do? Now, external cream. We had cream. This cream is pretty good for psoriasis. But anyway, we're not talking about cream today. We're going to talk about JiYi tea. A lot of you may not know that JiYi acupuncture is actually including tea as well. So once you know how to make a diagnosis by just doing observation, that JiYi we do by just look at the leaf, we know yin and yang, then we choose the points, right? Then same thing. Once by look at the lead, and then once we make a diagnosis according to JiYi acupuncture, then we'll be able to give tea as Chinese herbal tea. Alright. Now let's have a look on this case. We have 2 tea at the moment. One is called JiYi Quanyuan tea. The other is called JiYi Kunzhe tea. In this case, this patient only used taking JiYi Kunzhe tea for 6 days. No acupuncture. As you can see here, the psoriasis over here, and clear up a lot. It's not completely healed yet, but clear up a lot. So this JiYi acupuncture students share this case, her case, that in the group. So we took the case out and share with you. Let you know that by learning JiYi acupuncture, not just treating during with pain, it can treat psoriasis, it can treat skin disorder, and many, many more conditions. Alright, this is for today, and if you want to learn JiYi acupuncture, we have free training, and the link is down there. And yes, in Malaysia, November 2022, then we gonna host a workshop, and Master Deal will teach over there, and we have a translator to translate Chinese to English. Right. Stay awesome, and I hope you now know a bit more about JiYi acupuncture and make your decisions and take action to go and click the free training program. I'll see you next time. Bye.